We should have a song. I do have a tendency to natter on. This is a lovely song, and I'll prove it by singing it. Go ahead. Well, I fell out the window, a 40-story window. I stubbed my eyebrow on the windowsill. Oh, go get the axe! There's a hair on baby's chest. Off with his head, says walk on father's nose. Off with his head. Learning things. I don't know if you're learning things, but together we're going to make sense of it all. I suppose we should have a song. I do have a tendency to natter on. This is a lovely song, and I'll prove it by singing it. Go ahead. Well, I fell out the window, a 40-story window. I stubbed my eyebrow on the windowsill. Oh, go get the axe. There's a hair on baby's chest. Off with his head, says I sat on a buzzsaw, embroidered buzzsaw. Why is the ocean near the shore? I'll go get the axe. There's a wart on father's nose. Off with his head, says his true love. I bought my love Sherry, a maraschino cherry. She ate it, then she ran off to you. I'll go get the axe. There's a hair on his chest. Off his head, says aha! I like that song. I especially like the shouty bits. Now. Time check. You see my lovely pocket watch, yes? It says Wonderland. Your blue teeth. I went to my dentist and I got them all turned back to yellow, so I think it's all right now. I set the alarm clock to go off to remind me when to sing you more songs, but it's not working, which is making me feel like I should just sing you songs all the time. There was no law to stop her jaw, it worked like a machine. What I could do, she chewed all day, she chewed all night, and that was chewing some. She hardly stopped to chew her meals, she was so fond of gum. There's some people that would say that you look like a toy. I mean, you're not orange. Are they really crocodile?
The one has a fire on his tail.
No, I mean your shoes. Everybody keeps referring to Crocs. Seems like a very expensive way to make a shoe, especially since you'd have to feed it.
Get up in that
do look like toys because we can play with them. All right, I suppose we'll have a song. I had Jane long time ago. She was a sugar plum. I loved her well, but it's sad to tell she loved hard chewing gum. There was no law to stop her, so I worked like a machine. She chewed all day, she chewed all night, and that was chewing some. She hardly stopped to chew her meals, she was so fond of gum. She chewed and chewed in a brand new winter green. And what I wouldn't this girl, she would while she was sweet 16. That should do. It'll ring in a bit when we're ready for a song. The song I was thinking about doing. Uh-oh. Wait, not yet. Stop. Great luck in getting stuck. She was sweet 16. Some days have passed since I stuck fast to that sweetheart of mine, but now and then you'll find again the sweet words of gum divine. I had a mat on which I sat to call her my queen. It stuck to me, and so has she since she was sweet 16. There we are. That's the way to do it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's very uncomfortable depending on a machine. It still hasn't rung to tell me to sing a song, so all the songs I've sung for you have been out of regulation. We really shouldn't have heard them at all because the alarm clock didn't go off. Oh, hello, my friend. Wait, where are you going? We're just getting started. Tell you what. I'll work on the clock. Let's see what happens. That should do. It'll ring in a bit when we're ready for a song. The song I was thinking about doing. Wait, not yet. Stop. That's got it. Ah! That's the truck, you say? Well, it's gone now. I can sing my song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Ah! There it goes again! All right, as I was saying, when I was so rudely interrupted, now I'm twice shy. My song I'm going to sing is actually not 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's so difficult. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Sister Phoebe, how happy were we the night we slept under the juniper tree. The juniper tree, hi-ho, hi-ho. The juniper tree, hi-ho. Here is a hat for to keep your head warm. 2 or 3 kisses will do you no harm. Rise you up, sister, and go, and go. Rise you up, sister, and go. True love, I had me a beau. I'll ask the salt sea, I think it should go. Dear cradle my sweet sailor boy down below. Dear cradle my sweet love below. Oh, Sister Phoebe, how happy was I we the night we slept under the juniper tree. The juniper tree, hi-ho, hi-ho. The juniper tree, hi-ho. That was a lovely little canter. Thank you so much. Oh, what a mess I made with all my toys. I'm going to take a little break and fix something. Be back soon.